You build a machine learning model, run the backtest, and results are flawless, a 0.72 Sharpe ratio. The strategy extracts profit from historical data. But 6 weeks after you deploy it into live markets, the edge drops to zero. The system starts bleeding capital. The strange part is that the machine learning algorithm itself is functioning exactly as designed. The failure happened because the historical data you fed it was lying. This collapse is caused by a silent defect known as lookahead bias. It turns a highly profitable backtest into a perfectly memorized illusion. To understand how this defect gets into the system, we have to look at how an AI actually sees the market. Raw price charts are entirely meaningless noise to a model. The data has to be translated into a mathematical language called features. This translation layer breaks the market down into specific categories: momentum, volatility, market structure, and the current trading regime. In foreign exchange trading, there is another category that is absolutely non-negotiable: time. If your model doesn't explicitly encode trading sessions, it treats a quiet 3 a.m. Asian session exactly the same as a highly volatile 2 p.m. London and New York overlap. Without that specific context, the model will severely misinterpret market reality. The invisible bug usually hides right inside standard machine learning libraries, like Pandas or Talib. These tools produce technically correct values, but they don't inherently protect against chronological data leakage. This timeline shows a standard trading dataset, running from bar 0 to 10,000. Standard code calculates statistical transformations using this entire dataset simultaneously. This means early points, like bar 500, are secretly influenced by future prices at bar 9,000. The model optimized its weights using future information that will never exist in a live environment, making the backtest results impossible to replicate. This illustrates the fix: a strictly defined walk-forward window. A solid vertical line blocks out all information to the right. As the model steps forward, the pipeline calculates statistics using only available historical data. The system remains entirely blind to the blacked-out future. Implementing this chronological wall directly inside your pipeline guarantees that your backtested strategy actually has a chance to survive in live trading. Even after you isolate the data and fix the leakage, models face a secondary fatal threat: regime dependence. This line graph demonstrates how an engineered feature can appear highly profitable in a trending market, marked here in green, but generate catastrophic false signals the moment the market shifts into a mean reverting range, shown in red. To solve this, you run walk-forward feature stability testing. This process verifies an individual feature's performance across multiple, isolated time periods. If a specific input only demonstrates predictive power during a narrow training window, you can confidently remove it. It is memorized noise, not authentic market structure. The quality of the input features determines whether a machine learning trading system captures a real market edge or simply memorizes noise. Standard data science practices are often insufficient for foreign exchange markets. Surviving the transition from backtest to live trading requires domain-specific engineering judgment to build data pipelines that avoid memorizing historical coincidences. If your current model is suffering from backtest to live degradation, or if you are starting a new algorithmic build, you need an independent audit of your feature set. Click the link in the description to secure a custom lookahead-free Python feature pipeline from Barmenteros FX. This ensures your model develops its predictive logic using only valid, live reproducible price data.